All right. Today is oopsies. All right, today's Tuesday. We got no news coming out for Forex Factory. Everything is yellow folder news, nothing USD related up until the end of today's trading session. Currently, what I'm looking for is we've got a pretty bearish open of 125 pips to the downside. Waiting for first presentation of the fair value gap. What I've mapped here is Sunday's first presentation fair value gap right after the open. Seeing how prices can be respecting this. I'm looking also at yesterday's first presentation. And I'm waiting for today's first presentation as well. We got some relative equal highs here. So this is an area of interest. Price might want to gravitate towards this today. And we've got also our midpoint as well here as a target. If price were to present bullish price action. But as of right now, just looking at the 15-minute here, we have sell side liquidity below us, buy sides above us. I am liking this buy side a lot, actually. Doesn't mean price is going to get there. And then as of right now, as per ICT's teachings, if the opening is over 120 points to the upside or downside, do expect like a heavy bullish or bearish day depending on how that opens looking like. So right now price, it opened up, filled in a fair value gap it created right off the open. It pushed lower to Sunday's first presentation. It's breaking right through. Ever taking trade today in the morning. I shorted the market. Apologies. And now we're going to see if there's any clean opportunities for the AM session. So buy side was taken. We also have relative equal lows below us as well. This is from this week, actually. That is something that price might actually want to grab this morning as well. So that I have interest of. And I'll have to just wait for some kind of entry. We do have our first presentation fair value gap form. Which is right here. This is Tuesdays. I do think sell side's gonna be taken here. I don't think it's just gonna leave it without grabbing it. I do not think shorts are even worth it here. It would have to kind of come back here to this first presentation and then short it from there if it wants to grab it. But I'm not interested in. Maybe. Price were to show something like this. This is something I would take. And buy side tagged. After this gets tagged, something I want to see is it reverse and go back into the first presentation as a draw. Seven, 7, 4. Price is dropping like a rock right now. It's got a reset. Top set here from my end. But as of right now, the drawn liquidity is going to be a long. I'm just waiting for price to show it's slowing down at a key PDA level for it to reverse. It's an interesting PDA level right here. Price is respecting this fair value gap to the upside, but it's only a 15-second fair value gap. Price is rejecting this 1 minute fair value up to the downside here. Where's price going to go here? We start mapping levels that it might start reaching to. Here's the next level of sell side. Liquidity right here. I'm not interested in shorts right now at all. When first presentation fair value gaps get left like this without ever being retested, it's usually a good draw on liquidity in the future. So currently what we're waiting for is, right now we kind of dug into this daily, right, fair value gap, and hopefully it's going to invert and kind of push price back up. That's going to be the anticipation here. Hey, Super Bartek, how's it going? I haven't seen you in a long time. Or talked to you. How you doing? Did you take anything today? Getting back from March. Oh, March break, yeah. Do you have the week off for March break? Nice. It looks like you had a nice vacation. First sun for a week and then March break. Oh, cool. Oh, freaking awesome. Yeah. I'm up altogether 1.5K today, but I'm not going to push any mediocre trade. I'm just looking for a A+ setup. If it shows in the next 20 minutes, if not, I'm done too. No need to force anything today. But as of right now, price is stalling around the daily fair value gap here, denoted in pink. Oh yeah, definitely. Would be down for that. We've got yeah. Markets have been interesting with Trump recently. I feel like they were easier before he got elected. No. No green beer. Just work and the usual. How about you? Do you have a green beer? Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Green beer, green profits. Yeah, should have used that strategy. This market is definitely dropping. I'm not seeing any reversals. Like for me to take a long, I'd have to kind of see this invert this fair value gap to the upside and take it to first presentation. The price didn't even hesitate today at first presentation. It just dropped like a rock. Going to, oh, nice. I used to go to those. How much are tickets? They're pretty expensive though, right? Like 500 a person. Oh, perfect. I remember Cat's work also got us tickets as well, and that's that's how we attended the previous years. Oh. All right, price is still doing nothing. Still dropping. Crazy bearish candle here on the 1 hour. Oh, this is a 2 hour here. Let's get the 1 hour. Oh, it's the same. It's gonna be breaking below this daily fair value gap soon. I want to see if the low of it's going to support price, and hopefully it might revert from there. VIP, super. Ah. Today's the 18th. I'm gonna get price till 10:10 today. That's the last. Like, I wouldn't take a trade after 10:10. I do need to see it kind of go up. Yeah, this is mental. And I wouldn't even short it from up here. It's just, if such a large RTH gap above you, relative equal highs. Like, there was, even though these relative equal lows were juicy here, really juicy from a 15 minute perspective. Nothing really too tradable right now. And if it wants to keep running down, I will let it run without me. How many times have we tried catching something like this, and right when you take a trade, it reverts? That's happened too many times. Oh. Right now I'm eating breakfast, so my cam's off. Egg sandwiches with blueberries, black raspberries, and avocado. Currently, I'm using 150K accounts. I feel like the drawdown's a lot easier, and it's a lot easier to take bigger positions right off the bat as well. So currently, I have 4 150s. And my last 150, hopefully, it's going to be passed tomorrow. All 5 of them. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I realize I feel like 2K of drawdown isn't enough. Like, especially if you take bigger positions like 300 or 400, you need that bigger account. And the difference is very little too. As long as you pass it, it's like an extra $100. So hopefully my next payout is going to be a big one. So price right now, where does it want to go? We got sell side here below us. I'm not crazy about this one though. Sell side liquidity on the 1 hour. So price might continue pushing down to this low here to the end dog of 312. But yeah, right now nothing that's screaming take a reversal here to the upside. Price is continuing to drop lower. It's just using these bearish order blocks to push down price, right? It's using this to push down price. The question is how low? How low is it going to go? We'll give it 10 more minutes. If not, I'm going to cut the stream and go on with my day. So a market like this is a really good candidate for a lunchtime reversal. So essentially, somewhere between the times of like 10:30 and like 11:30, not like 12, price is going to want to revert and go higher. And usually what we're doing is we're going to aim for the first low after 10 o'clock. So if price drops lower, it drops really lower, I'm going to first map the first high after 10 o'clock, and then that's going to be my target for longs. So that might be the play for today, lunchtime macros. So this is kind of what I want to see now from the market. I wouldn't be crazy about a reversal right now if it were to happen, but I would want to see kind of price kind of go lower. You know, it would be good if it takes out these two lows here. That would be perfect. And then from here, like this low right here. And let me get the eyeball as well. Like if price can go this low and then start reverting here, I'm going to look for the first high after 10 o'clock, which is going to be something here. Might even be this high, right? But like there's going to be some high here. And the position that would be taken is something like that. We hit HVL ODTE on options chain. I don't even know what that means. Sounds like Chinese. I think today's a day where the contract changed. Right, if we kind of look at NQ. We used to trade on, I think, NQH 2025. And now we're trading on the next contract, if I'm not mistaken. What's the letter for the next contract? I'm not sure if anyone here knows what it is in the chat. Contract letters for NQ. Still something I gotta learn. Per quarter. So it's always so they expire quarterly, and it's always, I think, the third Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Which is going to be this Monday, right? But what's the letter though? Okay, I think I figured it's Q. Q. NQ. Is it Q? No, it's M. M 2025. Yeah, so today's contract is it's M now for the next 3 months. So March 3rd Monday, we switched over. We've touched the sell side here. Am I interested in longs? No, I'm not. T's high volatility level on the options. Oh, interesting. Last week on Tuesday, I got my accounts to 5,000, or no, yeah, it was 900 per account for all my 4 accounts. And I'm like, I want 1,000 per account. And what happened is I was chasing that $100, just so easy to get. And I took my accounts to negative 900, from like positive 900 for the day to negative 900. That was a really bad day. And it was all for $100 essentially per account. It was such a silly move from my end. There was no positions, no setups, nothing. I was just trying to get a quick 100, and I blew through 2K per account instead of locking in 900 per account. Very, very triggering day. And then the next day I didn't even trade. I was so triggered by myself. So mistakes, but I made it up since then, slowly but surely. And as I get more green days behind me, my confidence grows. My trade size starts increasing a bit more. Yeah, never do it again. I do it again next week. So, so right now, prices. Trying to see the only material fair value gap that I'm seeing respected is this one marked in red here. Even if it breaks it, that might be a quick long, but we'll be trading into this. This might be inverted right here. This 1 hour fair value gap. We're currently below the daily fair value gap as well, which was a very strong level in the past. Just look at it, right? So it's nothing's really clean here. Let's give the market like 5 more minutes, and if not, I'm just gonna be monitoring. I'm probably gonna add an alert right now. So once this level gets hit, 550, this is going to be a great longing opportunity. Like I would want to see longs from here. So what's going to happen is hopefully price goes lower and then we take a long. Come on, price, do something fun today. Today I took a quick long as well on this account here for 450, 4.5K, and that's it. Tomorrow I just got to take one more trade for 4.5K and I've got 5 accounts officially. So pricey, still bearish, nothing bullish to trade off of. And I think what's going to happen is it because of the is it FOMC tomorrow? There you go. What time is FOMC at? 2 o'clock. So I think tomorrow I'm going to take a day off as well. When it comes to like Wednesday FOMC, I think the rule that ICT says is you do not want to trade after 10:30 just because price gets very fickle. That's the word he uses. The price is even fickle in the morning as well. So I guess you are trading, lower your risk if something's A+, but yeah, you're right. Tomorrow shouldn't be a day of trading. So for now, guys, I have no interest in trading this specific price action or the market. Even if price breaks above this fair value gap, for me, it's going to be a very insignificant long. Like to like the drawn liquidity would be the first presentation. Like I would not be interested in that at all. Like it would have to break higher, not touch it, go lower, respect the upper half of the fair value gap, and then take a long. But what I am interested in is price continues to drop another 150 pips. If I get alerted here that these equal relative lows below me gets tagged, I will be looking for longs for the afternoon macro from 10:30. Technically, it starts at like 10:50, right? Because that's like when the afternoon or the lunchtime macro starts, like that first one from 10:10 or sorry 10:50 to 11:10, and then by like 12 o'clock, I'd want to take something. So hopefully that happens. But I guess that's it. Super Bartek, nice seeing you. And for everyone else, if you guys enjoyed the stream, feel free to drop a like and maybe I'll stream tomorrow. I don't know. Probably not. I won't be probably trading, but take care, guys.